Yo, what up YouTube, man? What's good, what's good? I'm back, man, I'm back. Just want to say thank y'all, man, bro. The views, they've been going up. My subscribers, y'all been liking it, man. And I'm glad, bro, I'm glad. So I'm just gonna keep it going, man. We're gonna keep going with this thing. But yeah, man, we out to the gym. Had to throw this bitch in sport mode. Oh my God. Now, man, I am so close to getting this exhaust, bro. I cannot wait, yo. If y'all remember my last car, the 1.5, the exhaust I had on was the REV9 exhaust, and it sounded alright, I'm not gonna lie. Had a nice deep tone to it. You only heard me when I passed you. After I get the exhaust, the next thing that I genuinely want to do myself, that I would want to do, is stars, bro. I want to get stars. I'll throw in a few clips of my boy Chris, his car. He has stars in his car. He got a nice little Mazda, the Mazda Easy. The way the stars look, man, especially in his car too. But I feel like it's gonna look really good in mine as well, because mine's, unlike his says I think a tan interior or the tan top, while mine has the black top naturally. I don't think, I'll be honest, I don't think I need to wrap this in Alcantara. I think it looks good like where it is. Like this up here looks perfectly fine. I don't know. Wait, I want to get stars. I'm thinking maybe 800 pieces, because I also, or maybe 1,000, because I also want to do this roof here. I want to do the sunroof part. Damn. So my mod list, I'm not gonna lie, goes as follows. I'm doing exhaust, stars, intake, most likely. Alright, man, well, I'll catch y'all when I'm out the gym and I get this workout in, man. Peace. Alright, man, we out the gym, bro. Oh damn, that shit look hard. Now I'm about to head to the car wash. This car wash I always go to, bro. Like, me and my friends always pull up to the shit. And after I get this car wash, I need to run to Target. I need to cop a new brush. Not a brush, my bad. I need to cop a new fucking conditioner for my hair, bro. Cause y'all already know, I don't know, I have long hair. Like, my hair is long and curly. Hell yeah. Oh, I can't wait for this exhaust, bro. Fuck. This exhaust was, oh, it'll sound so good, bro. The suction noise of the turbo is, it's just wow, bro. It's wow. Like, it's nice, yo. Do I dare follow this Q50? Do I dare? here, buddy. I'm here, buddy. Ooh, okay, okay. Nah, he made that cut smooth as shit, yo. What the fuck? If I was on him, I could have made that, but I'm over here cruising. Did y'all know that I was low-key thinking about upgrading to a Q50 as well? I was thinking about it, bro. I was thinking about it. Upgrading to the Q would have been nice. But nah, I wasn't. I'll be honest, I don't think I was ready for that jump. I'll be honest. But Qs are what, V6, right? I believe? The 3.0s and shit? I don't know about them. Them bitches is gas, bro. I fuck with them. I really fuck with them, bro. Oh my god, there's this guy on TikTok that got the fucking cleanest Q60 build, bro. Like, he had the air suspension, so that bitch was dropped. And then this nigga had a fucking AR in the back trunk. Oh, with the custom lighting done and the mount. Bro, that bitch was so gas, yo. So fucking gas. That was fun, I'm not gonna lie. It was a quick little oh my god, bro. I need more friends in Jersey, bro. That'd be really fucking, oh, bro, I would drive everywhere with y'all niggas, bro. Swear to god. I need more friends in Jersey, PA, and New York. Those are the main three, bro. Main three states. I'm not certified like that motherfucker that I was with just now, cause he was really flying. I'm calm. I'm calm. I like taking my time, you know. I'm not up there. Once I hit maybe 300, 350 horsepower, fuck it, nigga, we gone. I'm making every cut, God willing. Oh yeah, this is what we call a nice car wash. Everything is fucking empty. Except for this one guy. I'm like, who cares? I go all the way to the end here. Yes, sir, ski. Oh my god, look at that. So that's the lip I put on right here at the bottom. That's how the back looking. Oof. That look aggressive. Big 2.0. Big 2.0. Don't be sleeping on that. Big 2.0. But yeah, man, it's dirty, bro. I don't know if y'all can see. Dirty, bro. Dirty. Dirty. We are out. God, it sounds so beautiful, bro. Got the wash. We are good. Hope you guys enjoyed those clips I got. I showed you guys the POV of the outside. You feel me? Got some clips for TikTok, so I'm gonna edit that bitch and throw that shit up maybe tomorrow. But yeah, I'm running to Target, grab my shit, run out and go home, and then get to editing this video, man. Get this thing up. Hopefully by the time you guys see this video, my next video, what the fuck am I talking about? My next video would be me and this exhaust, bro. God willing. Bro, these cars, they growing on me, bro. These fat ass fucking monster trucks. 345 Hemi, oh my god. What the fuck was that? Oh my, I love the way those bitches sound, bro. I'll be honest, bro. The way I be revving my car, maybe think I'm in a fucking cat. I mean, only thing that's missing is that. Ooh. Damn. Y'all heard that crack? That was my neck, cause I broke my neck looking at that fucking Supra, bro. That bitch was. I'm glad I went with this color, bro. This blue stands out so much, bro. It stands out so much. Fuck yeah. I'm not gonna lie. I actually fuck with the red a lot. You know, one thing I wish, or I need to learn if I can do this with this car, bro. You know when those Beamers fucking they switch gears, and you heard the brap brap. Alright, yo. Let me go inside right quick. Is a car meet? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? God damn. God damn, this shit is fucking nice. Supercharged. Free show. Jeez. Like, it's crazy. God damn. What the fuck? What the fuck? Jeez, this bitch is God. Oh, I don't know if I showed you the animation, the lights turn on.
During parking mode. Motion detection recording. 1 and event detection recording.
What do you say?
Then I'ma call you right up on the flip. 50 reasons why you nigga ain't shit. Fuck about them niggas, I'm not at the top. I come in and I gon' make this shit hot. DM your nigga and blow up the spot. Fuck up with the gang. She gon' know it all. We don't need no name. Tell them I'ma get involved. Pull up with a couple bars.
Is that Where's 981? That's another record. Oh, look at this. Damn, look at that nigga. Wheels. Oh, yeah. Alright, yo, anyway. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe, man. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully my next video, God willing, is going to be me with this new exhaust, bro. But yeah, man, I'll see you, alright? Peace.